Alright, these are going to be the Tower 3 elevators at the Wyndham Ocean Boulevard in Myrtle Beach. And these appear to be Thyssenkrupp. Ooh. Are these already modded? That'd be crazy if they already are. Wow. And we have Thyssenkrupp call button. That is so weird. Yeah, the other two towers are Otis, but got Thyssenkrupp here. I'm almost wondering if this is a mod, but we're gonna find out. I'm not sure the year the Series 5s were put in, or the year this resort's built. I'll have to look it up, but if it is the grocery beat, this is more than likely, without a doubt, a mod. Well, we're about to find out. While we're waiting, here's the parking area. I rode the Otises, they weren't running too good. Let's get a cab view. There's a TV back there. Yep, we do have some Thyssenkrupp here. Let's go to 15. Let's see how these are like. Here we go. Judging by the fixtures, this is original. So yeah, this is strange. Yeah, these are the older VR fixtures. These aren't MAD BS, so, or any kind of MAD. 16 or 15. Let's go down. Now these call stations are newer from the looks of it, but on the inside they have the older TK VR fixtures, so this is definitely original. Which is strange, because like I said, the other two towers have Otis. No floor passing chime. Going down.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, peace.
We're in P2.
Thank you.
This is going down. Oh, whoa. Just sank. Just like sank. That is so weird. Hate to say, but these aren't running too great either. This Wyndham needs to fix their elevators and maintain them better. Well, anyways, there it goes. And I guess that's gonna be it.